Okay, you can refresh it. We'll start the next stuff. It'll be like priorities that
You won.
I won?
Yep. 7.
I want you to win.
that one.
Oh, sorry, I didn't grab it.
Then he said no Bob. And I said Bob. It was Bob. I just started calling him Bob.
You gonna finish your demon hunters today? No, I actually don't.
We got a lot.
5.
No, I
Oh, Daddy won. Wait. Oh. Wait, check out back with you. Nuna, it's so fashion. Yeah. Walking the snow on it. No. Yeah.
Whoa. Second.
Second. You got it ready? Here, second.
No.
Daddy?
Oh, I mean, sorry, it's me then. 3, please.
Yeah. Second.
I knew I saw
I need a
that
third.
one. Third.
So is this
Yep.
3? No.
Threes.
I think no.
No, I don't think so. I think a fourth.
It was a while ago.
Yeah.
This one,
This
this
one's
batch is
no.
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 No, because like it's already recorded the other one.
Sorry, do you need help with this? I mean, I did the first one, but. Huh?
Okay, you need to ask.
I kind of ate that, huh?
Sounds
Can
just
I
like
eat that one?
No. Can you pass me? No, it's
I
right.
can't hear you.
So that the ate aspect will not see.
It's not showing.
It's not showing anything.
It's not showing again.
No, it's that way.
It's not gonna show. And it's okay. I'm fine if my face shows.
I could blur.
Well,
This is over.
What sila bay?
One.
1. Watch it. That one. Bye-bye.
Boom.
That's it.
I'm just gonna turn my sounds off, okay, Ethna?
It's just me.
Okay.
One bird.
Oh yeah.
Other number.
Yeah, in our group chat.
Is there still a missing number? Oh, yeah. Next up the January at least on the side.
Kakot sa ako. Gusto ko nga to.
I'm just not like that.
Well, she is mid-highway.
Are they Jenny?
Oh. Yeah. I mean, like she said, they're okay. They're all in the car.
Nah.
What do you watch? Food show? I know there's a new baking, I think, TV show that I always get to try to watch.
Hindi ka abot ko.
Yeah.
Done.
Iban.
Oops, that's mine. And we have to roll.
What did you try?
5 chair.
That one?
Give the chance.
Oh, I have.
Give the chance.
I'll just give you that.
No, give the chance.
He knows you need it.
And
Oh.
I have all. Daddy got all the small one
Yeah.
from me.
See how thick my money right now? See how thick my money.
Wow.
Is that just 100?
Yeah.
No, it's not. Like half of it.
1 ball.
That's all.
Took it up.
Wala pa ko. Dukan pa ko.
My eyes are getting watery because of
Kasi
Vicks.
wala na ko anit na.
Mm.
Ipod.
I need help.
Then rock.
I don't want to watch chocolate. It's harder than chocolate.
Please.
Ay, salamat. See, ganina ragi ko galaway. See? Kaya naman ko ng dos na sa ako. Wala na ko ilain.
Ay, mo magipong.
Bukali.
Hindi na tayo you need the phone.
Ay, lapit mo yun kay ipuan.
Now you're gonna look for it now. Seven? Hindi na ko eh. Okay, bro.
You have fun today?
So what? Ati magkakaldo sa this. So what?
Yeah,
Yeah, it's
it
really
was
hot.
because it was really
Sa to,
sunny.
4.
4.
It was really sunny.
Gusto ko diyan.
So a lot of the time we just kept staying in the shade.
Yeah.
80s. It's 80s, huh?
Yeah.
Hindi na lang to.
Yeah, if you guys
Yeah.
came.
That's my favorite weather though.
But yeah, you guys probably would have had fun though, because you guys could
Just take
leave.
pictures.
You guys could have left anyway.
It was just like their kids were running around,
Nakabunot ko.
taking
Nice.
pictures.
See, tulog.
There you go, girl.
Yeah, we're taking pictures.
Salamat.
Press it down and spin it.
See, I
Spin.
press you then you win. Huh?
Nice. That's
This
this
100 pieces, 100. It's only 8 hours.
100 pieces of 100. I wouldn't need that much money. I like what we have going on here. Because we just keep losing for right now.
We're losers at the last.
Hey, you just win.
Yeah, you can call yourself a loser if you just became a winner.
That's unfair to the loser.
Aka me.
Asan ko mong mulak, Dari?
My coach is with me.
Yay!
I can do play golf tomorrow, Monday, and Tuesday.
Nice job, bud.
Okay, second. Mana ka? Yung flowers?
A lot.
Okay.
7.
Dari, right?
No.
Ito. That side.
No more for me.
Oops, second.
No more.
Oy.
Mola.
2 more for me, please.
I don't have joker, pero nakabunot ko duha. Namo ting nakaswerte.
Mom, there's no joker yet.
Last round, she's reminiscing.
Oh, third. One more, please, for third.
Okay. And then when you're ready.
Fourth. Thanks.
Okay.
Huh. I'm gonna keep jokers in front of me this time.
Cuatro.
You said cuatro.
The West is cuatro.
It's na. Paningit.
Oh, but you have one though?
No, see? Maglabay. So, I'm gonna go with.
I West is cuatro.
I have the ugliest cards this round.
Yeah, me too.
Wala mo exchange ko.
Okay.
Wala mo exchange ko.
That's the right way to play.
No, sometimes it's not.
Two stick. Two char.
The char.
Oh, just kidding. One.
No,
Turn
she
around.
cannot. Because,
One ka na ron.
Why?
dalawa.
Yeah, sure. Laban sa Tiagwan ka advance.
Oh, yeah.
You have class at 6 p.m. on Thursday, right, Sal?
Yes.
And I also have clinicals.
On Thursday?
Mm-hmm.
I was gonna say, because my practice is on the Thursday.
Okay.
2 sticks.
The sticks.
I'll take that one.
Take that one.
Mm-hmm. Wait, why were my sticks here when I have some sticks here too?
I don't know.
Need to be
Na
arranged.
ina joker ana.
Need to be
The
arranged
in
more.
between.
And I'm trying to grab.
Okay.
Well,
I'm something else today. I think
Right.
it's the VIX is getting my head a little crazy.
Yes. I think it's big thing is working. Poor char.
Na ilagay pa nila akong pork char.
9 chair.
Sobrang ni kanina.
Then say
Sauce.
Ganyan tang days money. Uy, biya po.
Really be Oh, sorry. Two ball.
Tubol?
Tubol.
Tao na ko ana.
Ginigit ni Maj Anna. Sing it.
Sa ka bra ha.
And I said, your hair's pink. Hey, it's finally tapping into the rose gold you wanted.
Yeah, I like it.
Not the roots.
Then put the other roots.
No, it looks
The
good
roots
though
won't.
because it looks more natural.
Natural.
BB.
And it blends better, I think. Because it looks like highlights, I guess.
But
The white part.
your Joker. Oh. Don't do it. Don't. Oh, no, run around.
Just know I'm probably gonna sleep at like 10 o'clock.
Nabalik ka ma?
I love the scene where his house
I'm
starts
doing,
melting.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday.
Ay,
I'm gonna go to
Clinical?
sleep. Yeah. Maybe Friday. I can't do
Kiray?
Friday anymore.
No, just one up.
Ano ka ba nagpa-joker ay?
No, because you're
Because
the
you're
Joker
gonna Joker
eye.
eye. Come on.
Uh-huh.
Si, abuna ko, pero wala ko Joker. Tanawa, oh.
Nice.
Wala ko Joker.
Regular bonus. 100.
I'm ready.
100.
You're gonna not say that when you don't have any more money.
Whoa.
Tarong. Oh,
Where'd it go?
I still have very thick. I still have
It's
very
under
thick
the-
money. See?
under the
Yes, okay.
Yeah.
Ako nga lang,
7.
magkakag-aan, kaya
Sorry.
Ano nga nakuha? Ako sa ilalong.
Dios.
Ako sa ilalong.
Daddy.
I can keep it, I take it.
You
Me.
can take it.
Dad. Daddy. Me.
Okay, stop that.
Stop touching.
Yes, touching.
He likes the way it looks right now.
Relax lang. Arrange your card. Ano lang.
And see a movie?
You got your jump?
Yes.
Daddy, 2?
I did.
Two, please.
2 for me.
One more.
7?
Ako na.
Sorry.
6 for me.
Second.
Yes. I see.
I have second. No more.
Second.
Oh, no.
Smash.
Smash.
You know who I'm talking about.
Yeah. Yoni yep.
Yoni yap. It's a yoni yap.
Oh. Whoop.
Yoni yap. Yiri waba. And you're his father. Chocolate is not good for the teeth.
No.
Yeah.
Ano kami eh?
Po.
5.
Po.
4 pa na.
Di ang kan ba? Cha.
Okay.
4.
Okay.
Hindi ka abot sa ako.
Nope. I don't even know what to do, man. This one's gonna go away for sure. 4 turn. Your man. I wonder when Jenny dyes her hair, right?
Probably she's a box dye.
Yeah. Why you curious?
No, I'm just like she always has light brown hair.
Yeah, she always.
No.
She always call her. Like mama before, she always called her.
Nose whistle. Whatever, man. You guys are gonna hate this video. I'm sorry. No, you guys.
Bisim.
I always thought it was lit though, his room. Like that, their house.
Uh,
Oh, was it 6?
6 chair.
Bong, bye. Wow, you're making your money back.
Ay, sus.
I was only waiting for 1 card,
Wala
so.
mo lang ginunta ko, oh. Ano, wala akong card, oh. Ano nga ako dito? Isa na lang ako.
Regular bonus?
Regular.
Manahan ko katiyos. Dito pa ko.
3. Excuse me.
Dinggan dito, ah. Dinggan ito.
Yeah.
Nanti di susundan nila.
I'm sorry. Okay, don't touch that. Daddy likes it like this. I got S-bow.
More relax.
I got S-bow. I got Scooby-Dooby-Doo.
Daddy got
You
his
going first? Okay.
Jessica.
Okay, 3 for me. Thank you.
Can you reach that, yes?
Ye.
One more.
But I need 3. Thanks.
One more for me. Hey, you saw
One for me.
third.
Attention. No more.
Third, Dad.
No more.
Okay.
2.
Sticks.
That's it.
White. Okay.
Reroll.
Why are you keeping Auntie's flowers?
I like it.
Grab 2 flowers. Oh.
Oh.
White.
What?
Reroll na tiyas.
4. Okay.
Size.
Backwards. Whoops, skitty, whoops, skitty, whoops.
You were talking about Duncan again.
Who?
Ordered an order. And I said, oh no. Trying to divert the conversation. Oh no, Auntie Bebe, we forgot about your 7 fruit today.
Good.
Conversation diverted.
A piece of gold. I've got the golden tickets. I hit more candy. Lucky.
6.
Cuarto.
Toji Hibi Poker.
5.
Buckinghamshire, England. I just don't understand the smoothing filter on this movie.
To make them real
Right.
characters.
Oh, they're cute uniforms. Look. Oh. It's pink.
Rest I don't know why.
I'm not gonna have any more of these small number.
What is the Joker?
9 chair.
Phone.
Gang.
No.
Ay.
Just phone.
Toji Hibi Poker.
Joker na. 1 out 2 sticks.
Five bamboo.
I want the golden ticket. Oops.
7. Flower.
I only have 3 horses, 2 cats, 7 dogs, 5 hamsters, 2 gerbils.
Is that exactly what she has?
It's not like the Hungry Caterpillar.
I want to square it out.
Ano akong pagkakas.
Throw away your Joker.
Wala pa Joker.
Joker over there too.
I didn't get it. I really want to try Wonka Bar. Both. I want to try both flavors. Both flavors. Both flavors.
Dancing my sickness away.
Uy! That's all you needed?
That's all I needed.
You're 1 away.
I'll
Joker
get
bonut?
Okay?
Okay. 2.
3. Ano yung sa
Oh, we're
4?
watching.
5.
Okay, good.
Nice job, girl. It could have gone in anything.
I could have kept up to what I know you did to only.
200.
200.
Salamat sa akin.
Enough na akong bahas.
Your charity.
Yeah. Charity is.
Come on. Spin it,
Maybe
Mom.
it's yours, so you didn't have one.
I have a lot of money.
Oh, you have?
You spin, Mom. She was just gonna grab. 12.
Well,
Daddy says -4.
Yeah. That's up to you.
ako,
Mami. How much that one?
Well,
12. Ako may daw.
Oh, it's 12. Yeah.
8. Oi. Oi. What's going on here?
Ay,
Yung 12 minutes to, right?
-2.
Yeah. Yours, yeah.
Ako lang ini daw.
Yeah, this one's yours.
Yes.
Isa na libo na.
Sorry, it's all because I tried to do daddy's trick.
Ano?
But
Mine, this is,
You wanna try the strategy ano? What is
yeah,
American?
yeah, I'm still a rookie.
me too.
Uh-uh.
I'm a rookie all the time. Okay. I supposed to wing the one circle, but
Hindi, balik-balik noon.
balik mo. Kung 9, nipong imong 9 bambo, kung ano mo. Sige na
Ah,
po,
dili.
dili.
Pero mo na kita gawitin.
It's
Dali
four.
na pa kayo gawitin.
You?
Mom,
Kung man gini mo, para mo closer
You.
to
I need
6.
4.
Mao pa may joket bunot man to. Wa man gyud ko joket.
Pero kung man gini mo rin.
Ano ka oy?
Kung alam mo.
Second.
Kung alam
Mom,
mo.
second.
Ay.
Second isa.
Got it. Do this.
1 only.
2 for me.
Kekecet lang. Oh, oh.
Thirds.
No bean.
Bilisod pa ta siya. Ipiton pa ko.
Sorry, Mom. Sorry, Mom. Sorry. I got it. I got it.
Okay, one ra tong joker. Number 1.
Oh.
Dah, na ako ano kanina, do buok.
The first round I had 3. Or whatever round that was.
I think I bunged that one time for one game. It's been a while though. I don't have the memory.
Wow, that's all.
Hey, I got your one ball.
Yeah.
No, I don't want the 1 ball.
Daddy.
No, Daddy.
No, I don't want it.
No, I know, but this is the one he wanted last time.
Oh.
What? What's wrong? I don't want.
I don't want
I don't want it. What you got by? One time?
9. But you got it already.
Yeah. Whoops. Oh, I'll put that away. Ay.
Nang ipalayo man na ang ganahan ta ano.
Sorry. I just wonder why he's a narrator for the entire movie. The dad.
The dances.
Yeah.
He's talking about his son's achievement. Remember, because he had all his son's achievements on the wall.
Oh yeah.
So he was not
Even
a
though
not
he-
present dad. He just didn't like his decision of being a candy
Right.
maker as a dentist. Long. No, put it back.
And that cabbage soup she makes looks fire.
It's just cabbage and water, girl.
I know, but I don't know. It looks fire. Six straw. Ate Lisa sing that one song. What?
Yeah.
What was my mommy throw?
5.
What was my mommy throw? That was truly crazy.
Oh, what's my mommy throw? She was singing it in my ear.
I know, I saw.
And with her hand around my arm. I said, what?
I'm like with a grin too. I was looking at her and I said, "Why is she having a whatever.
Concert.
She really gotta. Bye bye.
What time is it? I don't even know. What does it say the minute on top so I don't want to stop it?
31:11.
Okay, 31. So I know. Watch my.
6 sticks. Ang ato ang
How you fell asleep? It's getting good.
iya mga natuyo og laylay kaniyang makita na sa mga tao ang iyang dula. Ayo
Sorry.
ka mga.
I made a mistake.
But what about that one? You weren't you supposed to cut on?
No.
No.
So what do you put it back up now?
You just show.
Okay.
Okay, so my turn now.
So he's still Joker Eye.
But you led by
I
4
don't
ball.
know.
You yes. Well,
I don't know yet. I don't know if I'm correct or not.
right.
We'll find out the next round. Let me see.
Why do I feel like I have sober cards?
Oh.
It looks like. Do you have Joker? So I still have a chance in there.
For a double joker?
Or double Joker.
Oh, so he is joker-eyed.
I have one though.
Let me see.
Try it.
Maro gining pops eh.
Good job.
I want to see what I was gonna get.
Bupong pa ko ato.
Isa.
Kato. Muna kong ipaabot, tinabay ko para oh.
Ito, ito.
Oh.
I had nice cards still.
What the card ay?
Spin.
Kinakabulat ko kung joker.
Spin.
Bigla na ko ay.
Oh, joker-eyed. Spin.
You can give me $1 if you want.
Spin. There's chicken in
Paano
the
na
audience
ka?
still.
Tinugay ko na, tinugay.
Regular. Sige, sige.
Like the last style?
Pero,
This one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Napot. Ay na sa nang
Sige lang.
una.
Basta
wag mo guy name.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, we can new rule. New rule.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I show you. Just
Kunya lagi
play.
basta.
It's okay, just play. I show you.
What's the 30? We're at 30 already?
It was 33, 33.
Pause it and then. Oh, wait. No.
Oh, this is the last game for the.
Mapil dili ani guys. Dali.
And we'll switch here.
Ano kayo?
Dili, ako. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just listen to me.
Final
No, I don't wanna
round.
listen lagi dali
1,
kay.
2, 3, 4.
Ano ka siya nagmang ko
What
kayo.
the-
Mo kay pag-ingon ako magtimbog kayo.
Dili,
Unya
dili,
na
dili.
lagi. Unya na kapag istorya.
Mas dako pa tong ganina. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I show it to you. Sige na
Ano
lang.
kay timbugay ni siya wala ni exchange of card.
Yeah, we're gonna learn real quick on this.
And even if you have joker, you can or no?
Yeah,
you can.
Anything.
Wow.
If you win, you win.
I don't remember how to play this
There's
one.
You just
Okay.
yell if you got it.
Oh, if you got
If you find your last card.
I win.
Yeah.
Then if show that your card.
Okay.
Like that, like if it's joker imong nabunot, you said like I bunot the joker, dili nimo ipasok diri.
This one
sa-
already?
Yes.
Okay? Dili
Okay.
nimo ipasok diri.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, sorry, Ma. I saw your number one.
Oh. So, tanawan ako.
Sorry, Ma. Second.
Secret.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. The card is 1. No more flower?
No more.
Final offer?
Final offer.
Oh, hold on. I have this. Oh, red velvet.
You have to reroll?
Yeah.
Oh, you have to reroll. I'm gonna reroll.
Oh, why is it not moving?
Wait, this is another one.
No, it was a stack here. It was. Oh, just reroll.
You're supposed to get it from here. This is where we were getting our jokers from.
This one, the red one.
Okay.
Okay.
This one.
Okay, okay.
The reroll still.
Naro.
Ah, dili. Dili na ako kanyang pindutot.
Ay, ka na,
Wala
oh.
akong dili.
Hindi ko ka dinula.
3. Sais.
Sa is pala, jing.
Pong.
Dili. Wala ni Sekuan.
Mo tayo magigiyatag ganina, nakita.
Let go your hand up and ask. Can you pass me one of this?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. What the
Dili
ugly?
ha.
Mhm.
What the ugly? What does the ugly say? Oh, sorry.
Pag ang tag-edit ng
It's not bad people.
Remember, it's timbugay.
Yeah,
ha?
sorry.
It's over here. Yeah.
Anything.
Okay, why you're waiting already?
No. So, pagka-waiting nga, I still have tupong, kaon.
No. Go factor, Gaji.
Tanaw mo sa card ha?
Yes.
I still got a long way to go.
It's,
Yeah, me too. I still need tupong this.
your arm comfortable, Anan? Because you're there.
Yeah, I'm okay.
Okay.
Hey girl, you feel me? Well, even though it's up again, it's all fine.
Sorry. Pinapili tinaas?
Whoa.
What was it? Which number?
Nabunot yun
7.
siya, Miss
Oh,
Timbugay ra.
okay.
Okay,
Okay.
three everything.
300.
Yeah, everybody need to pay 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Muna
So
yun.
what's one?
It's just like if you don't throw anything.
May pa rin itudas na lang ko. Kayo, kaganina na ko.
So then why didn't you todas? We're playing todas.
Yeah.
We're playing todas.
Nandito na ako dakiray kay
5 ng tibay.
sige na sige yung
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, this is last round.
You know what is 4?
Joker bonut.
And then this one is a
Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah, and then 2 is if you throw. If you
Okay,
don't throw, it's
yeah,
1.
okay.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yours. 5. Wait. Oh no, this makes sense. Sorry.
yan akong gutok ni bali. Nalibog na lang yun
Ano na siya kay?
No.
Kabalo ang
No, that's nice.
ang delivered one alert ko, no?
No touchy. Willy Wonka, here.
2 more.
Done.
Nakaan?
I'm done.
Joker is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hopefully I have a joker this round because it's been a tough time right now.
What is it? 9?
Bola.
Zebra.
We're playing that Timbog again. Is that what we're doing?
Yeah.
Regular. Just like
Like if that's my card, I win.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Whatever match
Okay.
to your card.
Pick one
Pick
first.
one.
Sikon pa rin ko na. Ay, dali. Kita dali ko lakan si Saraw. Dayon.
Parang yun. Di ba na? Dali.
She did.
Wala ko eh.
She didn't throw.
Mag-throw din ko.
No, you just grabbed
You
one.
grabbed.
Count your card if you have 13.
Wala pa ko.
Count your card. If you grab in here, pero sayang secret wala pa.
Oh.
She has 13.
Yeah,
Ano,
no.
pero sa
Oh.
tagal nagbuto upat man eh. Lay mo labay ay,
Go
mo
ahead,
labay.
it's okay, go ahead.
I'm confused.
No, because she grabbed in her it's a
Remember?
secret.
Ay, secret.
Okay, pa is a secret. Why is a secret?
We did.
Secret is 50.
You know why? Because she grabbed first.
No, she put
She put it down first. That's
Yeah.
why.
I thought secret's 20 only.
50. Secret's 50.
To be changed.
You're so generous.
Very generous.
You throw yet?
Not yet.
Daddy's so generous, Mom.
Kasi anak mo siya ng alien DeGeneres.
Ay, okay, meron akong kusing. Red, white. 3.
Can you push her forward?
Sure. That's all.
I can't say it like that.
Oh.
Ang tudok pong kuani ka man klaro para.
So,
Pong.
He makes the chocolate look so good. Let's be real.
1 card.
Those are.
Pong.
You're just happy to be here, aren't you? Mama.
7.
Mommy? Daddy?
Kung
See, I told you. He goes, Papa.
4 card. Love it 4 card. Oh, 4 card.
One share.
2 sticks.
Oh, that's so funny. Papa.
Joker. 1 charcoal.
2 charcoal. You just need 2 charcoal?
Yeah.
Man, so I pay 200?
Yeah. Everybody 1.
Man.
Wala ko kabantay sa utso oh, namukuan pa rin mo punto. Kabantay.
Okay, let's do
Wala ko niya kung pakita sa inyong napindot akong
What was it?
86 char.
Oh no. Okay, this is
Lagi na abutot na lang.
let's steamboat because it's too long. This is patad round. Patad no timbog or patad timbog?
No, patad kuan. Original bonus.
Okay. How much are we doing?
1,000.
Okay.
1,000 tiyas. Wala ka Okay, 600.
Okay.
Okay, 600.
Give it to mommy.
I lost everything.
Side bet? Side bet another 1,000? Okay. Actually, I can't do it. Side bet 500? I thought I could do it. I'm
6.
running low.
Okay, kuha na niya bunot og joker ay dali.
6 is an. Oh yeah, 6 is an. Sorry.
This is serious. What's the most thing you want to eat in the factory? Be careful with your words.
The river.
The river. You want to get a cup of the river? I think, yeah. Cup of the river or just a Wonka bar.
Why you took first?
Oh.
The dice, huh?
I'm sorry. I didn't look at it yet.
You can have that.
I didn't look at it yet.
Sure. Whoa, this is a very good line.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, guys.
Okay, 4. Okay.
Oh, sorry, Mom.
Very
Two
good.
for this. Settle.
Yes. So this is only Joker Eye and
Second, third. Oh, second,
I
third.
just feel like these are all my cards from
Nagsikan
literally the
No.
last round.
Okay, second?
hold on.
Second.
Hold on.
Yeah, first.
No more.
Yeah, I got my first. I'm done.
Only Joker Eye this one or what?
Yeah, joker
ay,
bonus.
And bonus.
Third. Fourth.
No more.
And the grass.
Okay, no more. 3.
I need one more, it looks like.
Tapos saan?
You're supposed to have 16, not 17.
I have 16. Or I had 15. See, now I have 16.
Okay.
8.
Ah, ganun, no?
Kita mo na ako. Pag-ana na ako. Laguman ko.
I didn't answer what I want to eat. But yeah, but maybe the cup with the chocolate.
Yeah, right? But Jake and Josh also made that look good, so...
Oh yeah. Maybe that's what I'm thinking in my head. What was I thinking?
Dili ni timbugay ha. Sinlimot na.
Oh my God,
Yeah.
apple.
The apple tail. Or the gobstopper that they smash with the feet. Everything like it.
Like yeah.
Oh. Actually, yeah, why the heck not? Why the heck not? Right here. This is gonna be us. You the kid eating all the candy.
Very good, Kindy.
Labay?
Yeah.
What?
8 skip.
7.
7.
7.
That's how people are in school interrupting their teachers.
Oh sorry.
Oy vey.
Huh?
Mm.
Lamiag sa mga
What you labay? 8, 5 ball?
Yeah.
Yeah, you need it anyway.
Lamias po mga Madara magsuli.
Well, I bonut, but I'm just gonna bonut. It's a jackpot.
Oh, yeah.
So-
Jackpot.
This is also
I bonut 2 stick.
Okay.
Yeah. So I have the side bet
Yeah.
and the patat, and I made my money back.
Labay ko ano?
All right, say goodbye, like, comment, subscribe.
Kita mo na pili po matang dula.
Yeah.